Okay, so this is going to be another video of the 2001 Grizzly 600. Having a little bit of an issue right now. When I would try and start the quad, I'd get a little bit of a clunking sound. It seemed like it was kind of hard to start, but it would eventually turn over. So I had a couple people had heard it and mentioned that it might be the starter. So I picked up a, albeit a cheap starter from eBay. Installed it. I'm pretty sure I installed it correctly. I mean, it was just 2 bolts coming out, slides out, slide the new one in. Not really too much to it, I guess. So now what's happening is I'm running into pretty much the exact same issue. So I'm looking for a little bit of help. I'm wondering if it's the Bendix gear or maybe even the flywheel itself. So I'll show you guys what's going on. So when I start it, it gets a clunk. It will start though, but it clunks a bit. Okay, that time it didn't do it. Okay, let's see what happens now. So it makes that loud clunking sound. Let's try again. So it makes that loud clunking sound. Obviously not a fan of that, not really sure why it's doing that. The starter that was in there before was doing the exact same thing. Again, changed that starter out for another brand new starter. Again, I know it is an eBay one, but I literally just put it in minutes ago. Had this issue again. So if someone knows what's going on or can kind of point me in a good direction, what I don't want to have to do is I don't want to have to pull this side cover off or anything of the things here unless I have to. I mean, if that's just kind of what it is, great. If not. Anyways, sorry for rambling a little bit. So if anyone can help, that would be fantastic. Thanks a lot.